Monday, September the 18th, about 1:30 in the afternoon, past the halfway point from Suvorov to American Samoa. And this is how you do 150 miles a day in the Cape Dory 28. You can see I've got the Genoa sheeted off the end of the main boom, and the staysail, which is set back about 3.5 feet from the head stay on its own stay, is pulled out. The wind is east-northeast, blowing a good 20 knots. The boat's pretty well balanced. Seas are running up to about 8 feet, and just keep sliding along here, about 6.25 knots, 6.5 knots almost. My run this morning from 7 a.m. until noon was just a shade under 33 miles.